Hey guys, Tony here. This is going to be a very short video because I just made like a 10-minute video of me talking, going into detail about a lot of stuff, and I don't want to remake that video again. I actually had my microphone off for my screen recording on my iPhone. Long story short, there's a pretty big chance that that we are looking at early signs of the bottom every single time that we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart right here. So every single time that we've had an instance of a weekly bullish close, which is what my indicators are showing right now. We've had a pretty nice move to the upside on Bitcoin, and we've started and they have been clear bottoms, right? So back here we had a signal on September 20th. We actually ended up running a little bit again, roughly around October is when we had highs, and then again around May-ish, June, July is when we had the other highs right here, like May, June, right here, the other highs on Bitcoin. And then again we had the other highs on Bitcoin like roughly December 2020, and then also November 2020. We'll go back to the Bitcoin chart, right? I'm doing this quick because I really don't want to like go through all that. So, right, October to November 2021, back when we had those highs, again, the dominance was showing us early signals. August, September, again, those early signals. And then again from like February towards like May-ish, we had another peak on Bitcoin. And then again, like in January of this year, or last year actually, is when we had that other peak in Bitcoin. And we go back to the dominance chart, we had roughly the same thing, right? So peak November, right? November-ish, December, and then January we had those peaks of where Bitcoin also topped. Again, May-ish, June, March, those peaks also, and then recently October, September, again those peaks. So dominance has been a pretty good early indicator of Bitcoin hitting bottoms and then running to the upside. Another really good thing about where we currently are right now for the dominance is we actually broke through extremely major trend and also major resistance on the 40%. So as of right now, I have started accumulating crypto. I took profit on a lot of, well, I made a decent return on my 3Ls, so I started deploying it into different stuff. I also started buying back a little bit of Ethereum, some Crow. I think I made like a 50% return on Spell and some other stuff, so I sold all of that and I started putting that into Crow. I bought more Gala. I'm probably gonna buy, I think I'm done accumulating until the weekly on BTC actually closes bullish. After that, then I'm 100% bullish. But as of right now, I think it's a good time to start accumulating. I think I think if BTC dominance closes the weekly bullish today in the next 6 hours and 35 minutes, I think that this might be an early sign of a clear bottom on Bitcoin. And I'm gonna start the accumulation process at least for maybe like 30-40% of my funds, and then once BTC actually closes a bullish week, then I'm gonna go back and deploy the rest. I am thinking of buying some BTC 3Ls on KuCoin, so I'll probably end up buying that. I am also gonna be doing an updated Coinbase portfolio, or just an overall crypto portfolio, and then I'm also gonna be doing another video today on I have 3 strong nodes right now. I do have one that has been running for almost a full month. 2 more days and it'll be running a full month, but I'll do another updated video sometime later today. But yeah, I'm gonna make this quick video because I just talked for like 10 minutes straight and I didn't have my microphone on, and I don't want to do that all over again. So this video is probably not going to be as detailed, but you guys get the idea. I'm essentially accumulating crypto. I'm starting the accumulation of crypto because Bitcoin dominance is showing early signs of a reversal. So I'm not one to ignore my TA, right? If my TA or my indicators or whatever says something, I'm going to trust it, and then I'm going to go with whatever it says. Because it's like I said, it's very rare that it gets things wrong. So especially on the weekly. So I'm going to start the accumulation process. I'm not 100% bullish. This is just an early sign that we might be at BTC bottoms. When the weekly on the actual Bitcoin closes bullish, then I'm 100% bullish. As of now, I'm like, I'd say there's a 50-50 chance, right? But it's just early signs. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.